Tukiangalia ripoti ito ya mbere amahoro ni matuma hwaini muthenya wa muthenya mutongoria wa bururi ndagĩtarĩ William Ruto muthenya wa umuthi kareketie gukorwo akĩrugũria itĩna rĩa kerĩ harĩ ũkũria wa matũra ũndũ ũrĩa ugĩte nĩ gũteithĩrĩria harĩ ũthii wa na mbere wa bururi. William Ruto arĩtie thirikĩra-inĩ wa irio kũrĩa mũciĩ mũnene wa Nairobi
makonyitana na thirikari cia kaunti nĩguo kũgacĩrithia ũthii wa na mbere
for a period of 6 years in which they were able to do urban infrastructure.
Kũringana nake nĩorĩtie thirikari cia kaunti makorwo makĩiga keheri kĩna kĩrĩa gĩkũhũthĩka na njĩra nene harĩ ũkũria wa matũra.
It is critical that county governments prioritize the establishment of full-fledged urban institutions with robust governance and management. Again, I heard Hansen say clearly that they are also going to use resources to support the governance of these cities.
Akiongerera nĩ thirikari nene nĩ ĩrehete mũbango wa waki wa nyũmba cia raithi iria cigũteithia Akenya bũrũri-inĩ makĩria arĩa marĩ gĩkĩro gĩa thĩ ũndũ ũrĩa ũkũrehe ũkũria wa matũra na kuongerera ũtonga wa bũrũri.
Program under our bottom-up economic transformation agenda is unmistakable. In particular, the program's alignment with the affordable housing strategy pillar presents a unique opportunity to invest in urban infrastructure that supports the realization of the affordable housing objectives in order to deliver holistic, sustainable, and inclusive urban development.
Ona kũrĩ ũguo Ruto nĩaugĩte thirikari nĩhotete gũthondeka iganda icigo itiganĩte cia bũrũri iria cigũkorwo igĩteithĩrĩria Akenya harĩ ũthondeki wa indo cia ũrĩmi ũndũ ũrĩa augĩte nĩ ũkũhe mbeũ njĩthĩ mawĩra hamwe na kũgacĩrithia ũrĩmi bũrũri-inĩ.
And I think we should encourage townships, municipalities, cities, because that way we not only remove pressure from land for agricultural production, but we also bring Kenyans into a space where we deal with the challenge of ethnicity that undermines our nationhood as a people.
Akĩkĩrĩria nĩonanĩtie ũrĩa thirikari ĩhotete gũthondeka mũbango mwerũ wa ũkũria wa matũra nĩ Room 5 Economic Zone makĩria taũni-inĩ ya Thika, Sagana, Naikuru, Naivasha hamwe na Busia.
Make sure that these municipalities have some measure of autonomy for them under your supervision to make sure that they deliver on the program that you give to them. It is really a mark of very strong leadership if you can assign other people to do the job at that other level. Of course, still under your management and supervision.
Adenia Mutikiti, Gedoki Mori, Wagatadu.
Bũrũri wa Kenya nĩ wĩrĩgĩrĩirwo gũkorwo ũkĩmatia ndũgũ na bũrũri wa Somalia thutha wa kĩgomano gĩa thikũ ithatũ kĩrĩa kĩretabanĩtio kĩa mabũrũri maya merĩ kĩrĩa kĩrathiĩ na mbere gũkũ mwena wa Karen mũciĩ mũnene wa Nairobi kũrĩa nyabara nduru-inĩ ya mamĩnĩsta Musalia Mudavadi arĩkĩtie kwanĩrĩra bata wa mabũrũri maya merĩ gũkorwo makĩnyitanĩra harĩ ũthii wa na mbere gũkũ bũrũri wa Kenya oro hamwe na bũrũri wa Somalia.
This Joint Commission is one of the most robust bilateral cooperation arrangements. Since the last JCC and several high-level engagements, I appreciate that both countries have made strides in implementing a number of resolutions. For Kenya, we appreciate that mutually beneficial economic ties and investments flow between our two countries under the foundation for mutual benefit and integration. I wish to acknowledge with appreciation the resumption of Kenya Airways commercial flights on 14th February 2024 and the Somali Civil Aviation Authority's approval for KQ's request for 2023-2024 winter season schedule of freighter flights commencing on 9 February 2024. I also appreciate efforts made in enhancing cooperation in the fields of security, capacity building in the field of health, through training of health professionals and the training of police officers.
Today marks a significant occasion as we gather to discuss matters of mutual importance, guided by the shared vision of enhancing cooperation and fostering stronger ties between our two nations. Somalia and Kenya have a long-standing history of bilateral relations dating back to the inception of both nations. It is an example the distinguished presence of His Excellency Hamza Abdi Barre, the Prime Minister of the Federal Government of Somalia, whose visit underscores the importance we place on deepening the bonds of friendship and collaboration between our countries.
Hayana tulidina brenya tedi ko keda azunda wademu ya ol kijabe ukoro egetwa angoboshia yola mushugiria ikoshia ai kari ako benya wa modo ikoshia matetemio ya egekinya adu tadato na omwe woko kere kana shena sho ila mtirio na jirane me hangoya weda area matakri marone kana no irage dina bre ko muruga mereri war hoge ruwa mudara famutuni akigate dirikari ne nehne matediri hanane hare gotigirati pamreshi ana shakro ilikeru boyo ne dirikari.
Koke da bugawa da munya ulikijabe maimario kwarene county ni kuru watu vigoshayo kumana na burana mehera editina berela ugada na ugobe fururi na utizama kiria mafamiri mirugo itatuhuni leo mere ya doamwe ni ya tetemana o bugawa choyele kubikia mudarafa mutune kurigehina wewe umeretia warere n'umenya wakuririkana hari amare kitego temyo kumana na mutumo uharere yo atafanywa kana cyumeneke kurema kira mado mirugo itadatu na umwe niyo mare kitego temyo yawo kumbere igenda kira mirugo itatu na muwaza mukuru w'ikyaga hamwe na mirere yagetse nimere ya mwana na mwari wanya na mirwaji kukumure ado ana kumamirene yao
Nilianjiko tulikuwa kwa nyumba watoto wangu walikuwa kwa familia yao. Wakati nilienda kuangalia watoto nikasikia mporomoko wa mawe, hata sikuchukua mpaka mmoja. Wakati niliingia kwa hiyo nikasikia nyumba imegongwa tukaunganishwa, tukatolewa sisi wote tukabebwa na maji na maji pia tulikuwa na yeye mmoja, tulikuwa tunakaa na yeye. Maji kakuja hata kwake ikabeba tukabeba sisi wote. Na watoto wangu watatu, lakini wawili wameonekana na mmoja hajapatikana. Kwa hivyo nataka serikali isaidie nipate huyo mtoto, hata kama amesaaga nitashukuru tu, nataka tu nijue pahali yako. Maombi yangu ni hiyo tu, wanatumbua
na kulingana na murugamire munene wa program mudarafa mutunene Felix Mayo ugetemerera migoti milioni ya shanani hari hamwe n'igitiri tetare kwa ni wajiko wa Kihuba.
Para dunia minister gubernur wa Kenya togoretie adugu atokuria aje kamun kemanilia kuria weru hoge wa NSSF kuria ministry ya ulima wa mweri kurio secretaria iboya tarakara ya ego pro ekyoero hare hoge kana kurio wa NSSF.
That before where our CSP is
Plan 2023 to 2027. This is a celebration, and it is the culmination of months of hard work and dedication geared towards charting a new path of growth and prosperity for NSSF and its team members. Incorporating financial literacy into NSSF's activities could be instrumental, equipping Kenyans with the knowledge needed to make informed financial decisions. I am nevertheless pleased to note the progress Kenyans are making in saving part of their incomes for the future. They are catching up with other African countries that have a good record of savings for retirement. Tanzania leads with the highest contribution to retirement savings, requiring a 10% savings of one's gross earnings from the employer, with the employer matching it. Similarly, Uganda mandates a 5% individual saving matched by a 10% employer contribution, while in Rwanda, the individual contribution is 5%.
Uri murimi munini na ni uravatara ngwataniro na nyumba ya mohoro ihinda ni riri amu Muthingi TV ni irakuhe mweke wa kwanirithia kimenyithia niguo ukurie biashara yaku na njira nene. Tuhurire thimu kugerera kivugo mugwanja ithano mugwanja igiri ithatu ithano inyanya kana utwandikire email niyo sales@lookuptv.co.ke ukatutume ndugu na tutirithanie hamwe amu ndugu ni makinya.
Save a Life nĩ gĩkundi gĩtarĩ gĩa gĩthirikari kĩrĩa gĩkoretwo gĩgĩcenjia maica ma andũ ngũrani Kenya yothe. Nginyagia haha nĩ tũcenjetie maica ma andũ makĩria ma 100,000 through gũtwara arwaru thibitarĩ, gwakĩra arĩa matarĩ na cikaro, kũhe andũ irio, gũteithia ciana iria ciũrĩire mabarabara-inĩ na kũ-empower mbeũ njĩthĩ. Nyitanĩra na ithuĩ o mũthenya nigetha tũkorwo tũkĩnyitanĩra hamwe gũteithia na kũgarũrĩra maica ma andũ. Save a Life, transforming lives.
Uri murimi munini na ni uravatara ngwataniro na nyumba ya mohoro ihinda ni riri amu Muthingi TV ni irakuhe mweke wa kwanirithia kimenyithia niguo ukurie biashara yaku na njira nene. Tuhurire thimu kugerera kivugo mugwanja ithano mugwanja igiri ithatu ithano inyanya kana utwandikire email niyo sales@lookuptv.co.ke ukatutume ndugu na tutirithanie hamwe amu ndugu ni makinya.
Save a Life nĩ gĩkundi gĩtarĩ gĩa gĩthirikari kĩrĩa gĩkoretwo gĩgĩcenjia maica ma andũ ngũrani Kenya yothe. Nginyagia haha nĩ tũcenjetie maica ma andũ makĩria ma 100,000 through gũtwara arwaru thibitarĩ, gwakĩra arĩa matarĩ na cikaro, kũhe andũ irio, gũteithia ciana iria ciũrĩire mabarabara-inĩ na kũ-empower mbeũ njĩthĩ. Nyitanĩra na ithuĩ o mũthenya nigetha tũkorwo tũkĩnyitanĩra hamwe gũteithia na kũgarũrĩra maica ma andũ. Save a Life, transforming lives.
haya nitwagishokerera nyararo turina mbere yate adoto matete myoyo yao ko no makihonoka aduga mutino murukoro okihana kaparafara nene ya Korea mwena wa Ebu ne ripoti reke horetwo mukode ne foridi wa mwena usho
Ahora sí, no, rúmbame.
ya ugima wa mwere ni ripoti ire ikoretwo ikirikia gukoro ikirekererio ni ministry ya ugima wa mwere reketie kuonania ati murimu wa malaria no wagererekete makiria na gicunje kya 28 kiringithanio na gicunje kya 19 hari mwaka uria muhituku ni ripoti iria ikirekererio ikundi kiria gikoro gikiheana neti cia kwigitira rwage na kuria mathimirire bata wa gukorwo makigita makiria.
As early as 7 in a nutshell.
Mtu yoyote ambaye amesikia dalili ya dalili yoyote ya kudhoofika ama ya mwili kama ugonjwa anaombwa kuenda kwa kituo chochote cha hospitali kilicho karibu na yeye aweze kupimwa kwa mahabara alafu apatiwe matibabu. Na utapata kwanza wale watu ambao wameathirika sana ni wamama wajawazito, watoto wachanga, wazee na wale ambao kinga ya mwili yao pia imedhoofika kwa njia moja ama njia nyingine. Kwa hivyo ningependa kuomba wananchi wa Bungoma wajitokeze kwa wingi kwa sababu kabla tupeane net kutakuwa na kipindi cha registration. Community jitokeze kwa wingi, tutakuwa tumetangaza hizo matarehe ambazo community itakuwa nafanywa registration. Watu wajitokeze kwa wingi, waregister ili ifikapo siku ya kupeana hizi nets tarehe 20 hadi tarehe 25 mwezi wa 6 kila mtu aweze kupokea hii net. Na wakifanya hivyo hiyo ndio itatupa nguvu ile ya kuweza kupigana na ugonjwa wa malaria kwa sababu kila mmoja wetu kwa hii county atakuwa amepata kinga na atakuwa na uwezo wa kuzuia hii kushika hii ugonjwa wa malaria kwa sababu tutakuwa tumezuia mabadiliko ya climate change. Hiyo maneno ya climate change inachangia kwa vyovyote kwa sababu tukikuwa na mvua mingi kama kwa hii kipindi ambacho tuko wa sasa tuna mafuriko kumaanisha kuna maji mengi na vile mnapoelewa ni kwamba umbu wanazalia kwenye maji, wanapenda environment ambapo kuna maji. Kwa hivyo maji yanapokuwa mengi kwa mazingira, kwa hizo mavidimbwi, kwa vidimbi, dams na hata kwa boma kama kuna vyombo vyote ambavyo vinashika maji, utapata ya kwamba umbu watazaa wengi. Na population ya umbu ikikuwa juu inamaanisha ugonjwa wa malaria pia itakuwa juu. Kwa hivyo ndio unaona tunasisitiza wananchi wote wajiandikishe waweze kupatiwa hizi vyandarua ili waweze kujizuia na uumwaji wa umbu ili wasipate ugonjwa wa malaria.
Nao ayuthi makiria ma 50 nimegukoro makivunika na mieke ya wira hari githomo gia bure kiria kiraheano gitigwo digital literacy and artificial intelligence Korea mwena wa Isiolo. Githomo giki gikumateithĩrĩria hari kuhota kwĩmathĩra mieke mĩerũ ya mawĩra.
Kwa sababu hao ni vijana ambao wangekuwa katika mambo ya mihadarati, katika mambo ya crime. Wasichana hao labda wangekuwa wamejitubanisha maisha yao, ingekuwa imeenda hivyo, wameolewa labda wamejiachilia, the vision and the dream of their lives would have been cut short. But here we are seeing them, young people passionate about their dreams. No one is paying them allowances, no one is giving them anything else, but they are here for 10 days back to back kujifunza na kujaribu kuimprove skills na knowledge yao katika hiyo space ya content creation na artificial intelligence. So itawasaidia kujikimu kimaisha, kusaidia familia zao, na pia keeping their lives, busy and active towards improving themselves to be better and meaningful young people in our society. So kama NRT tunajivunia hii kazi, tutazidi kuwasaidia, kuwashika mkono. This is just the beginning. We'll keep working very closely with them. I'm very much sure in the next 5-10 years, artificial intelligence will be a very big thing in our world. And we want to support artificial intelligence as NRT to enable communities to have access to environmental conservation information. Kwa sababu saizi tunangangana na mambo ya mabadiliko ya tabia nchi. But how do we make our young people to be well informed na kuimprove ile inaitwa awareness creation, na tunatumia technology katika hiyo safari ya kujulisha watu wetu, so that knowledge will enable them to be able to deal with environmental conservation, to plant trees, to conserve wildlife, and of course the beauty of our nature and our ecology.
This training for the past 2 weeks. The training is about digital skills, which has been organized by Kenya School of Government Isiolo in partnership with NRT, NIBS Creation Media, and also Ajira Digital. I'm happy to be part of the team, and also I've learned a lot.
Haya, na anyiti itemi sekta-inĩ ya gũkorwo kũrĩ harĩ wendia wa kĩraiko gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ wa Kenya nĩ maheanĩte mendekithia merũ kũrĩ ministry ya ũgima wa mwĩrĩ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ wa Kenya, makĩenda makorwo makĩheo rũtha ya kũneana imwe cia indo iria ikoragwo igĩthondeka kĩraiko gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
Graphical warnings had no scientific basis, or some of the images portrayed had no scientific evidence to prove that some of those diseases portrayed by those images are caused by especially the nicotine-only products. And as a society, what we are trying to say is that we must continue preaching the message of harm reduction, and as a country, we must review our Tobacco Control Act to reflect harm reduction strategies, simply because Kenya is a member of WHO's FCTC, which defines tobacco control as a range of supply, demand, and harm reduction strategies. And the biggest question that the society has been asking is, why was that definition omitted in our Tobacco Control Act?
I think when we look at the health warning messages, what has to be at the heart of it is to educate consumers of the product of the potential risks associated with the consumption of the product. But the reality, whether we like it or not, there is a continuum of the risk, where on one end you have more risky products like combustible cigarettes, and on the other end of the spectrum, you have products like nicotine pouches, heated tobacco products, and vaping products that have been proven to be scientifically 90% reduced risk.
Very nice. And we have also been able to engage with scientists who came, who give us some good insights. And we have also been able to tell them our commitment as government to ensure that we do not interfere with trade, but nonetheless to ensure that we protect Wanjiku.
The promise is that we'll consider every feedback we have received. We have to make a report. Hata na nikienda pale nitasema Dennis alisema.
Aya na riboti iyo niyo igukorwo igitweka mweke kangi ga gwikiria ndugathi haraya amutuko tugicokerera na riboti cia mathako.
Gutiri ngware mbico nikio na ithuĩ rĩa nauma ngo-inĩ tukiumagara tukeribariba nĩguo tukahange. Gũkũ arĩ tabarĩra-inĩ ya mwĩhang'ĩri gũkũ kwa Mũthingi TV. Ũguo nĩ tũtambũrĩte kĩo na wĩrutĩri waku mĩethere-inĩ.
nikio tukaga o hau haku wira-ini tukagĩa gĩikaro tukamenya ũhangaga atĩa na wanjĩrĩirie atĩa.
Ndekaga indo bundi ndekaga indo cia thukuru kuma baby class.
Ngĩandĩkwo nĩ mũthuri wĩho andĩkĩtwo kĩbanda kĩ harĩa rũgongo.
Nĩ o kiumia wa kerĩ cihanda thaa 2:30 nginya thaa 3 cia ũtukũ.
Tabarĩra-inĩ ya mwĩhang'ĩri o gũkũ kwa Mũthingi TV na ni Mwangi wa Mũrugi.
Haya nĩ twagĩcokereria na rĩu ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe tũingĩre kũrĩa iharo-inĩ citũ na kũrĩa tũkambĩrĩria na riboti ya meharĩrĩria ma Junior Starlet kũrĩa meharĩrĩria maya nĩ maranyita thing'a harĩ thikũ ya 10 nĩ ũndũ wa mbĩtĩka ya ikereka rĩa mbere FIFA U17 ya Nyarari ĩrĩa magakorwo magĩtũngana na timu ya Ethiopia kĩharo-inĩ kĩa Kila Stadium tarĩki 10 mweri wa Mei mwaka ũyũ tũrĩ.
Training imekuwa mzuri kuanzia siku ya kwanza hadi saa hii tunaelekea kumalizia masiku zetu za mazoezi. Wasichana wanajitahidi na wako ready kwa mechi yetu na Ethiopia. Morale iko juu sana kwa sababu wasichana wengi wamekuwa wanataka opportunity ya kuchezea Starlets for a long time. So most of the young girls wamekuja hapa wanataka kuonesha that wanaweza, wamekuwa active kwa other competitions na sasa wanataka kuchezea nchi na kwa matumaini mazuri tupate good result. Ni mechi ngumu kwa sababu timu zote mbili ziko na good talents, iko na good crop of players wenye wamekuwa wakicompete kwa international level. So itakuwa mechi ya kujitahidi sana kwa wasichana wetu na also pia kwa makocha wetu.
Tunafuata chenye kocha anatuambia, tunakuwa discipline alafu kila kitu itakuwa fit. Majamaa wako juu wako na hiyo psych. Tunaomba tuende huko hivyo tu perform to give our country good results.
RBK na Nogani mayokete ohotani wa betekasha Red Bull Half Court Tournament Korea USIU Flames na twende umereteta hotani akaunti ya Naikuru ya gokumushie wa Nairobi Korea magatete tigiti wa gugathaka na athaki angĩ harĩ hehetano cia muthia harĩ mweri tariki 1 mweri wa June.
These guys play because we have the regional dinners, we have Eldoret, we have Kisumu coming, we have Coast coming, and there is Nairobi also here. We just urge fans to come and watch this Red Bull 3-on-3, and I'm sure it's going to be massive. Come everybody, that is the children, old men, young men, come and Nairobi edition was affected because of the rains, and because we had almost that is about 40 teams which had registered to come and participate, but fortunately they didn't turn up, and when we called them they were told us that the rains do not allow them to turn up. But we're going to try next time, and we believe that when we have these games indoor, we will ensure that we have more teams standing up. Very talented, slim young guys doing the stuff, and it's 2-on-3. We saw these young boys and young girls playing massive basketball.
One of our teammates, Ariel, gave us 4 3 points from the 3-point line that really escalated the game to a high level. It has to be leadership skills within the team. So that's the first thing. The coach is not supposed to be there.
We did our best during our training to prepare for these games, and I'm sure it's the one that made us to qualify for the national. I believe Red Bull has empowered like women, because as other people, maybe so many teams know about this. So through Red Bull, they're able to now know this Red Bull competition.
Nayo PSG nĩ gũkorwo ĩkĩnyita ũgeni Borussia Dortmund makĩtũngana harĩ ikereka-inĩ rĩa kerĩ harĩ mbĩtĩka cia kũhĩtanĩra gĩkombe gĩa Champions League. Ana mwirara witũ ho nĩ ho ngũgĩkorwo ngĩkĩra gaturumo mohoro maitũ ma hwaĩ-inĩ mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ. Ngũcokeria ngatho nĩwe wagĩtĩkĩra gũtwarana kuma rĩrĩa twambĩrĩirie mohoro maya maitũ. Njokeria ngatho arĩa othe twagĩkorwo tũkĩnyitanĩra nao, arĩa magĩkorwo magĩtũma ndũmĩrĩri ciao kũrĩa mwena wa Facebook. Njokeria ngatho arĩa twagĩtindania nao gũkũ mwena wa studio, arĩa magĩtigĩra atĩ mohoro maya maitũ nĩ wagĩkorwo ũkĩmamũkĩra na njĩra ĩrĩa ĩbacĩrĩkĩte. Mambĩrĩirio nĩ andĩki aitũ othe a mohoro. Producer wakwa mũndũ gwĩtwo Wambui wa Joe, Tael nĩwe ũkiuma, director wakwa Aizo nĩwe ũkiuma kũrĩa mwena wa graphics, wathĩka nĩwe ũkiuma kũrĩa mwena wa transmission, na mũndũ ũrĩa wagĩtigĩra atĩ mohoro maya nĩ magũkinyĩra nenda-inĩ citũ ciothe cia ũkinyanĩria kũrĩa mwena wa Facebook na YouTube nĩ mũndũ ũgwĩtwo Nyagũthiĩ. Niĩ njĩtĩkaga Wairimu wa Kimani, hatirĩ ũndũ ũngĩ, ngakwendithĩria ũtukũ mwega.